Hello guys, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, Thursday, January the 14th, 2021. The last Sudoku I will solve will be a Tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number 2165. Alright. Before I start, I'm curious how many printed digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 3 is 13 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. And the first strategy is to find the single box. I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. That means the boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. And I need a 1 in this area. So only 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then the dual box, I see here a dual box, the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 boxes? Cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes in this quadra box. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. But also this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Quadra box, same like here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. But also these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be a 3. That means these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be in one of these 2 boxes. That means that I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 4. Now we have a 1 there, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 3. The 3 cannot be here, so the 3 should be there. Okay, so 2 boxes are left here. Oh, let me position the camera. 2 boxes, the 2 and the 4. Okay, so this box cannot be a 2 or a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this L-shape construction. So the 1 number left should be the 5. 2 and the 4. But I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this duo box. So this should be a 4. This should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 4. We have a 1 here. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes in there. And then. Let me see. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 4. Here we have also 2 and the 4 left in this W shape. 2, 4, 2, 4. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then let me think. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here. Could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Okay. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. You see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. Now we have a 2 here, so this is going to be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. That means these 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this L shape construction. The 1 and the 3 we see here. 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. 1, 2, 3. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 5 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. This should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. Yeah. Alright. Let me see. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 5. Those boxes are the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 5 and the 2 are missing here in this constriction area. 5 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Yes! Finish in 13 minutes. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on a Friday. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye for now.